Hello everyone, this is MGTOW Super, and today I'm going to talk what MGTOW really is. The full form of MGTOW is men going their own way. Now, as a man, you are being told to protect, provide, and sacrifice for women, children, and society. We see men literally sacrificing for their family. Men work day and night 24 into 7 to support their families. Men are literally dying to protect women. Men fight in borders, in wars, build society, provide for family, do all the invention, research, and discoveries for mankind. Everything you see in this society was built by men. All those stores, building, roads, smartphone, laptops, medicines, vaccines, everything was built by a man. Now, what do men get in return? The answer is nothing. Men get nothing from society. Men are screwed in marriages, alimony, child custody, marriages, false rape accusation, false molestation cases, false domestic violence cases. Men's suicide is 3 times higher than female suicide rates. There is no ministry for men. Men's health issues are being neglected. There is no men's ministry to look on men's issues. Boys are failing in education. Male victims of domestic violence and rapes are laughed and not given any shelter or compensation. There are no laws to protect men. Misandry is also increasing in society. Society labels all men as potential rapists. For example, some flights have banned sitting men in next to small children because they think that all men will potentially molest children. Schools do not allow male caretakers to look after children. They think that men will rape small children. Furthermore, all men are labeled as dangerous threats and criminals to women. Now let's focus on men. Do all men rape? No, only some men rape. Uh, for example, let's pick up a situation. United States. In US, the number of rapes are 86,000 every year. The population of male in United States is 164 million. The number of army in United States is 14 million. Sorry, 1.4 million. 1.4 million. So there are more men actually sacrificing their lives in wars to protect their nations than actually men committing rapes. Similarly, in India, there are around 39,000 rapes. The population of males in India is 700 million, and India has an army of 1.4 million. Sorry, 1.6 million. So there are again more men sacrificing their lives than actually men raping, molesting, or abusing women. But how does society portray men? All men as rapists. Now, society always only care about women. Society protests in the streets and worries about the safety of women, girls, and their daughters and mothers whenever a girl gets raped. But when a man gets falsely accused of rape, or even commits suicide because of it, then society never protests in streets. and never worries about safety of men, boys, their sons, fathers or brothers. Society is all about women now. Women these days are aware about their rights and screwing men from left to right. They always treat men like an ATM machine and file maintenance, alimony, dowry cases on men. Take 50% of men's property. Now it's clear that society and women do not care about men's issues at all. So I wonder, why should men worry about women's issues? Why should men care about society? Men must boycott and avoid society. And it's true, it's happening. Men from all over the world are suffering, and thus men are avoiding marriages, relationships, dating, protecting society, not rebuilding society. And what is happening? As a result, birth rate, especially in the Western countries, have fallen. Some Asian countries like Japan, South Korea, Israel has suffered lower birth rates and lower marriages. Marriages is a complete disaster to men, and it's all because of women. They have made society and marriages so horrible for men. Now what is the future? In future, society will in future men will continue to boycott society all the time. Then society will beg men, it will beg men to come back, serve women and society, protect everyone. But dear men, just remember all the suffering you are bearing this day. Look at society, how it's treating you. Look at nobody's worrying about worrying about your feelings and your issues. Everyone is neglecting them. So you should also not protect society. No one is considered at all about men. It's all about women. MGTOW also means focusing on oneself. So yeah, don't focus on women, focus on your own life. Go to the gym, go to exercise, do yoga, eat healthy food, travel the world, follow your own passion, hobbies, follow your own life, what you desire, and avoid women, marriages, as they will file false molestation, rape cases, and various false dowry cases, false various divorce cases on men. Don't listen to parents who are forcing you to get married. Don't get married. Talk to them properly. Use spy cameras to protect yourself from false cases. Save time. Save yourself from bad women, society, and yeah, enjoy your life, love your life. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.